Alright y'all, welcome back to Mastering Mayhem, and I just got to update you guys on my new iPhone 12 Pro because something's going on with it that I don't like at all. I just got done putting a case, as you guys can see right there. I'm editing my video of putting this case on, putting the screen protector, right? So it's all there, ready to go, got it activated, and something is going on that's really frustrating me. You see that green dot right there? That green dot right there is really getting on my nerves because it's right there. Basically yesterday while I was setting up the phone, it wasn't there, or I didn't notice it because I was putting the screen protector. When I post my video of my unboxing and setting up the case or installing the case and installing the screen protector on it, we'll see if we notice that on there. I'll see if I can find a scene, but basically I noticed it. It was like 2 in the morning. I was trying to finish up my video and my wife and I saw it, and so I turned it off all night, like just completely shut it down, didn't charge it because it was at like 97%. This morning when I got up, I turned it on and I thought it was gone, but apparently it's a very small when the phone is cold, I guess, or just starting up, and then it becomes more and more noticeable. I know to some people that might not even be an issue, or it's like, what's the big deal? But for me, $1,400 later, I was excited about getting the camera to be able to start using this thing, and really, working on my next video to show you guys all the features and functions and the upgrades and things like that. I'll definitely update you guys on the green dot anomaly of the iPhone 12 Pro. Maybe it's just the graphite ones. Is it just the graphite colored iPhone? Just in case someone's saying it's not the new iPhone 12 or whatever, this is the new iPhone 12 Pro graphite. Believe it or not, it was actually smaller than that when I first turned the phone on, and it caught me by surprise, so I just kind of zoomed in and it's there all the time, but it just gets bigger as the phone stays on. Yeah, I'm probably just repeating myself, but just wanted to share that with you guys about my new iPhone 12 Pro. And the one thing that I hope to resolve here is that green dot and its removal. I'm going to continue to work on my video as far as the unboxing that I did with the screen protection installation and the case that I chose, and we'll go from there. I'll keep you guys updated as far as what Verizon says or what Apple says, more importantly. And if I get any new information today, the next day, whenever, I'll post as soon as I can regarding the green dot anomaly on this thing. Let me know if that's something that would bother you or irritate you. It definitely is bothering me. Does it affect the functions so far? No, I haven't set up the phone other than activating it, so I can make calls, but I'm just now barely getting through it and trying to see all the functions and features and capabilities of the iPhone 12 Pro. I got it mainly for the camera setup, so if I see or notice anything funny, I will definitely let you guys know. Other than that, I'm hoping just to either get rid of this one or find a solution and get a new one. So we'll see if Verizon or Apple, or Verizon and Apple together, take care of me, a small YouTuber, and we'll go from there. Again, not the end of the world, but it's definitely frustrating because I've been waiting 3 years. I got the iPhone 10 that I'm switching from, so kind of a bummer, a little bit of a letdown. It is not going to ruin my life. Let me know in the comments if any of you all have any issues with your new iPhone 12 Pros. If you guys have any issues, please let me know in the comments, or if you have any solutions, if you guys already know a way to resolve this. I appreciate you all. Once again, thanks for tuning in to Mastering Mayhem, and I hope bringing this to people's attention is going to help something on the other end, whether it's Apple looking into this or Verizon or both of them together. So again, as always here at Mastering Mayhem, we always trying to find the best tools, tech, DIYs, and deals to make life a little easier and work more efficient. Until next time, I only hope all the best to you and yours.